Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a passion fruit margarita. Now this was a request from one of the viewers. Now for this cocktail I'm going to use passion fruit puree. And if you have a fresh fruit in your area, use that by any means. I don't have that in my area, so I'm using the puree that I bought in the store. It still tastes pretty good. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need tequila silver. I'm using Patron today. Orange liqueur, I'm using Cointreau. Passion fruit puree. Pineapple juice and fresh lime juice. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice into a mixing glass. One and a half ounce of passion fruit. Half ounce of pineapple juice. One and a half ounce of tequila. Half ounce of Cointreau. And finally, half ounce of lime juice. Now we're just gonna shake it. And finally, I'm just gonna rim my glass with sugar. Now I'm just gonna pour this into the glass. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a passion fruit margarita. Now if you guys like the video, please comment, like, share and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!